what's our intro? We gotta make an intro.
What?
Where we say the same thing like every time we start the video.
Hello, Julia. Hello, Cactus. Hello, Julia and Cactus.
Okay.
We're gonna go to this, but we're actually gonna go to the barbecue.
The Hndz Bbq.
Hndz Bbq. She got the bag.
We got the bag with ribs.
It's a party down there.
Armadillo egg and brisket.
The grand opening. Oh, we got some sweets over there.
Sweets are my sweet.
Walk in here. All right, let's see what we're working with. That's an armadillo egg, all right.
Damn, boy.
That's an armadillo egg.
Yo, they're like really armadillo eggs?
No.
Let's dig in, babe. Brisket time.
Smoking. What do you think about that smoke ring on there?
Wow. Like how tender it is. That sauce is good too.
Good sauce?
Yeah. That's good.
Good sauce.
It's fire, dude.
Who's Rick? Who's Rick? Oh, it says Rick. My bad. I don't know who Rick was.
This is good. The brisket's good.
Yup.
He took one bite. And this came out.
Look at this rib.
It's so good. I want to try the beans.
Do that.
Mmm. That's really good, babe.
What is it?
The beans are really good. Try them. Get a little bit of everything. Yummy.
Oh, shit.
Is it good?
Beans are decent. They got onions,
Oh.
I think.
Hint of
Those
onion.
got onions, peppers, weenie.
It looks like bacon to me. Some mac.
Mac's pretty good.
The rolls are even good.
Big ass armadillo egg. What's in it?
That sauce really like the brisket though.
Sauce?
Yeah.
Alright. Big ass bite of armadillo egg. The holy grail. Looks like a baby meatloaf. Oh, you didn't even get a bite of the pepper. Give me that. Oh, it got cheese. It got all kind of.
It's good. Tastes real barbecue-y, like smoky.
No napkin?
One napkin. It's a little spicy, huh?
You know what I'm thinking? I just need a rack of ribs. Oh my god.
Are you sure you don't want it?
That's crazy work, man.
It's like a jalapeno popper gone crazy, right?
Yeah. Cream cheese jalapeno popper gone nuts.
Yeah.
I guess that's what a armadillo egg is. It's not hit. The barbecue word like that. Made it up? What the? That's crazy.
You told me to.
That's crazy. I was gonna ask for the last little bite.